siguro message na lang sa ating mga constituents of Baguio and the vendors of City Public Market, what would that be, Attorney?
To our market vendors and the people of Baguio, I said at the outset that we are not against development of our public market, but let us all be watchful and involve ourselves to participate. Kasi kung hindi matutupad yung sinasabi natin na it must be a development which is pro people of Baguio, the city, and of course, including the developer, then we should be ready to stand out and voice out our opposition to such development. It's our children and children's children who will continue to suffer the moment a development which is not pro people, for the people, for the city of Baguio will be done, and it will only be tilted in favor of